Okay, fine. I made hiking pants to walk my dog, but they are so comfy, and I probably could climb a mountain in them if I didn't live in the flattest place in the country. The highest place around me is a freeway overpass, so I don't think there's going to be any mountain climbing in our future, right, Bobbin? Right? Hello and welcome. This is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. If you love sewing clothes that fit you well, feel great, and reflect your personal style, you have found your sewing home. Today, I am reviewing the Meadowlark Hiking Pants and Shorts pattern from Love Notions. If you watched my videos before, you know that I have a certain way I like to be objective with my pattern reviews, and I have certain categories. Well, what I've decided to do is give a bobbin or like a star average for each category and then give it an overall score at the end. And also I'm adding a new category, how it stacks up. And that's going to be a section where I just kind of go through and review and compare it to other similar patterns. Because I think sometimes we get really confused with what pant pattern is going to give us the best features for our bodies. So I just would like to make that part of my review. So with that, we're going to get on with the details of this pattern. I enjoyed this pattern very much. In addition to the long version, you have 7-inch shorts option. Also, you have a full length option with zip off legs so that you have shorts and pants both. You have flat front faux fly. Say that 70 times fast. I won't. It isn't easy. Fat front faux fly with elastic back. So it's a very nice detail. It has deep front pockets, side cargo pockets, and back pockets. Also, you can add a side zipper pocket, which is pretty cool. You have a full belly option, which has already done the math for you if you need to do a full belly adjustment. This pattern is meant for woven fabrics, and it is full length also. You can have a tab option where you roll them up and use the tab to hold them up. So it's a pretty versatile pant. So we're going to get to wearability here. It has the potential for being an everyday pant for a lot of us. For instance, I probably will never wear it hiking, even camping, but it's just a nice pair of pants with a semi-relaxed fit with a flat front. It's just a very nice pant. So the comfort level is really good. They feel so good on. The zip off legs, those are going to be great for people, and they'll be very versatile if you're traveling in some climates. It might be really helpful. Personally, though, I'm looking forward to just the tab roll up because I think I can see myself wearing them like that. If the weather's changing, I could roll them up during the day and then let them down in the evening. Cargo pockets make them perfect for hiking and camping, and while made without the pockets, it just gives you a great basic pant. So on wearability, this pattern gets 5 bobbins. All right, very, very wearable pair of pants. As far as ease of construction, while there are some advanced features in this pattern, it is one that you can grow into. So knowing that you can keep your first pair very simple and then add techniques as you learn them. So as you make the next pair, you can add the side pockets. The next pair, you can add the side zipper. And eventually get to the point where you can add the zip off legs. So it is a very easy, it's a beginner friendly pattern with a few caveats. Don't try to make the most complicated view if you're a beginner. In testing, I was assigned the shorts. So my first 12, when I put it on, fit perfectly. So I ended up with 2 really wearable pairs of shorts with the fit and the finish version. Love them both. I mean, they're super comfortable. I've already worn them a lot. I mean, a lot. They're so comfortable and cool. And the fabrics I chose, I used linen. I'll get to the fabrics in a little bit, but I did use a 5-ounce denim and a linen. So they were super, super comfy. Um, as far as ease of construction, I gave this 3.5 bobbins. Just the caveat of there's some features that could be difficult, but you don't have to do them. So I did give it 3.5 bobbins. As far as sizing goes, you go from extra small to 5X. These pants look amazing on every body type. The testers were all over the map in body type, and they looked good on everyone. They run true to size, but I would check the finished measurements and make sure that you have the ease that you're looking for. If you're using a stretch woven, especially because you might need to size down just a little bit if you're using a stretch at all. Like most elastic waist pants, they were semi-fitted because you can't really have a tailored pair of pants that has elastic. It just doesn't work. As usual for a Love Notions pattern, of course, the sizing gives it 5 bobbins. So it's no surprise because they always have extra small to 5X, which literally most everybody can wear this pattern. Materials needed. All right, basically, other than thread and fabric, you need a 2-inch elastic for the back. And if you want to put a zipper pocket, you need that zipper. And if you want the zip off legs, you need those 2 separating zippers. So as far as that goes, that is the only thing you need as far as materials. You can click this QR code if you'd like to check out some notions and zipper options for this pattern. This is my Amazon influencer store, and I will definitely add some to the storefront for you to make it easier. All right, so as far as materials needed, there's not a whole lot extra you need to buy for this, so I did give it 5 bobbins. All right, fabric choices. This pattern is for woven fabrics. As I said, you can use a stretch woven, but just be careful of the sizing. Some great examples that are good for this are twill, chambray, lightweight denim, linen, anything, especially breathable fabrics, but also athletic fabrics that are made for sports. Also, you could use like a ripstop nylon if you want a really waterproof pair, if you're really going to go extreme. So there are definitely fabrics out there, specialty fabrics as well, and this would lend itself to a lot of those fabrics. I chose a mid-weight linen, which worked out perfectly. That was my fit version, and my final version was 5-ounce denim. And 5-ounce denim is somewhere between a chambray and a full denim. So it be like a little bit too thick for a shirt, but just ideal for a really breathable pair of shorts, and it was great. If you want to go ahead and purchase that denim, I will put the QR code up over here, and I will link it in my Amazon store as well. I did get that fabric from Amazon. So for fabric choices, I gave it 4.5 bobbins. All right. Now, how it stacks up. No other pant out there that I know of has an option for zip off legs. Now, there might be some that I don't know about, but I don't think that I know of any, at least of the major companies that have zip off legs. So that's really unique. Similar pant patterns, though, in the Love Notions category would be Allegro. It does not have a flat front, but it's otherwise really similar. But it also has a skirt version as well as the shorts. So Allegro is similar, but you know it's a little less fitted even than this one. Also, Tinley is very similar, but Tinley only has shorts. It does not have the full-length pant, and Tinley also has wide leg shorts, so it's kind of a sport pattern as well. So, and there's also no cargo pockets. But I did find these shorts to be really, really similar to the tin lead shorts, that particular view that isn't the wide leg ones. So that's a real similar pattern. As far as Summer K goes, Summer K is a little more dressy. There is a wide leg flowy option. There's no zip off leg, no cargo pockets. So it's similar only because it has the flat front and the elastic back. Largo is very similar in that it has the cargo pockets, but it is a fitted pattern and does not have an elastic waist. So if you want a more fitted pant, I would suggest Largo for that. So as far as how it stacks up, I gave it 4.5 bobbins. All right. Now I'd like to summarize here and just say that this is a great basic pant and shorts pattern all on its own, but it also has, if you use the right fabric, this could be a very big contender for a great hiking, camping, and extreme sports pattern. The fit is good in all sizes and the comfort level is really high. This is perfect for a lighter weight denim, a twill, or even a linen. Very good for waterproof options as well. The zip-off leg feature could be very useful in some climates. The score that I gave it is 4.6 bobbins. That's the average of all the categories. And to me, I believe that is going, I don't know how they're all going to stack up because this is the first time I've used the bobbin rating, but there's always a category or two that isn't quite 5. So I have a feeling this one's going to be up there as one of the best patterns that I've reviewed in a long time. So definitely one to pick up. So you can follow my link in the description, and I have a code there that you can get an extra 10% off. So I will do a lot more meandering than mountaineering in mine, but it is a great basic pant as well as being great for those of you who do like to go hiking and camping all the time. So anyway, to wrap that up, don't forget to subscribe and hold your loved ones close because life is short. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy sewing.